Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chandrasekhar signing in from the Trade Empire. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about post-market analysis of Bank Nifty dated 18/10/2021. As usual, on this particular day, I updated two strike prices. One is 39,600 PE on put option side and another one is 40,000 CE on call option side. Due to some network issues, I couldn't able to enter at the right time to the market. I entered nearly 15 minutes late. So this made me to miss one good trade at 9:20. I will show the region where I missed the trade while explaining the chart. So on this particular day, I nearly updated around 5 trades. So the first one I updated at the time 9:45 a.m. To buy 39,600 PE above 300, and the stop loss for this trade was around 25 points. This trade went till 357, booked a profit around 350. So again at 9:55 a.m. I updated to buy 39,600 PE above 334. The stop loss was around 25 points and this got hit stop loss. So again at 10:23, 40,000 C has been replaced by 39,800 CE. So I updated to buy this strike price at 10:35 a.m. The stop loss for this trade was around 22 points and this trade also got hit stop loss. So after few minutes, that is at 11:05 a.m. I updated to buy 39,800 CE about 297 and this trade went really good and which gave me profits of 50 points and which went till 360. So again, I updated to buy the same strike price, which is 39,800 CE above 360 on retracement. So this trade went till 425. In this trade also, I could able to book around 50 points profit. Not only me, even my premium group members also book profit on this particular day. So after this, I updated a chart like this. So I sense the market would go downside on PE side, but it didn't happen as I predicted. So I couldn't able to take more trades on this particular day. Since I have booked nearly 100 points profits, I was satisfied. Let's look at on the charts on what region have taken trades and what are the reasons and what are the facts that were supporting to take those trades. So due to internet issue, the first trade which I missed is around on this particular region. So if I would have taken this trade, the reason for taking this trade would be, so the market has opened gap up. This is the reason, and it has created a small support at this particular point, and there is a one bullish candle, okay, which seems to be very much strong. I would have taken this trade on this particular candle, would have exited somewhere around here. So due to technical issue, I couldn't able to take this trade. So the first trade which I executed at 9:45. So on this particular candle, this is 9:40 candle which has closed on 9:45. On this particular candle, I took a trade and this trade really went well, which gave profits of 50 points on this particular trade. The reason for taking this trade is Bank Nifty has created a resistance at this particular point. It has created a 3 consecutive red candles. This is the reason I have taken this trade, which went nearly 57 points from my entry point. I could able to book at 50 points on this particular trade. So again, the second trade which I took around 9:55 a.m. So again, the second trade I took around 9:55 a.m. So on the basis of this candle, the reason for taking this trade is, so here lies a resistance. So I was expecting a strong breakout on this particular trade, because since the market has reversed from the resistance, so I expected it would break this support line and gives a rally. At least it would come till here to fill the gap, but it didn't go well as I predicted. So I incurred 25 loss on this particular trade. So again, I waited till 10:35. The reason for taking third trade is Bank Nifty has created a small resistance at this particular region. So second reason is it has created a hammer pattern at this particular point. And the third reason is, if the momentum is strong, it would break this resistance region and it will touch this second resistance. But this trade didn't well as I expected, so it hit my stop loss. On this particular trade, I lost around 25 points. So till 11:05, until here, I waited to take another trade. So this trade, after taking this trade, it went really well because the very next candle which formed went up by 15 points from my entry point. But the second next candle which is shocked me because it came almost near my stop loss, but I waited because the reason I waited, I didn't exit this particular trade is because on this particular candle it was taking a support from this trend line, so I waited. Even my stop loss wasn't hit, but the price came almost near to my stop loss, but I didn't panic because I was very much confident if the trend is very much strong, it would take a support at this particular trend angle. So I waited and I waited. So my patience was being tested at this particular trade, and I nearly waited more than half an hour on this particular trade. At 12 o'clock, it really broke the resistance. On this retracement, I exited. So which gave me profits of 50 points on this particular trade. So I took re-entry on this resistance breakout again. So this trade also gave me profits of profits around 50 points. So these are the 5 trades I have taken on this particular day. I could able to make more than 100 points on this particular day. Even after suffering a 50 points loss, my first trade covered those 2 trades, and my next that is fourth trade and fifth trade gave me 100 points profit. After that, the time is nearly around maybe 1:15. I waited for a breakout at this particular region. If the breakout has happened, I would have taken trade on put option side, but it didn't happen as I expected. So I thought of not doing more trades because I already have booked 100 points profit on this particular day. So I ended with a good profits. I hope these videos are helping you to learn many things. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I request you to kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.